Good morning. Happy Monday. I wanted to welcome you to this week's vlog. I have been working hard this morning, so I treated myself to a salad. This is my favorite one. It's from Mendocino Farms. I think I've talked about it on here before, probably because I love it so much. This is the Chinese chicken salad, and I also have some trail mix. I've been in a trail mix phase lately. I pretty much like anything that has like peanut chips, like these little things, and raisins. I love raisins. So yeah, just the best snack. But I really just wanted to say hello. I have a very normal week ahead, like a few things going on throughout the week. And then it should be a good weekend as well. So I'm going to take you along with me as always, but I really just wanted to welcome you to the vlog and say hello. I'm going to eat my lunch now, and I'll talk to you guys all later. I want your ears out. That's better. Hello everyone, it is Wednesday evening. Today was an insane work day, but I am heading out right now and I'm going to pick up Grace and we're gonna go to dinner. We're going to How to Cook a Wolf. It's actually restaurant week in Seattle, so we are going to dinner and then we're gonna go see like a pre-screening of a movie that she got like tickets to. So it's gonna be a nice Wednesday evening. I'm so excited to see Grace. I haven't seen her in like basically a month at this point, which is insane. So it's gonna be a good evening. I'm very excited to eat some good food and to just catch up. Hello everyone, happy Friday. We have made it to the weekend and I am so excited. I am about to head out. I'm gonna take my friend Morgan out for her birthday dinner and we're going to the Ballard Cut. Last time I went there, it was literally so good, probably one of the best meals I've had in Seattle, so I'm very excited to go back, and I'm excited to celebrate her. But I wanted to show you my outfit and just say hello because I feel like it's been such a busy week and I haven't gotten to really check in with you guys. So this is my outfit for tonight. I'm carrying my little Samo Ondo bag that I got in Korea, and then I'm just wearing it with this new jacket that I just got in the mail today. It's from Carhartt WIP and I'm so excited about it. I love it. I actually saw this jacket while we were traveling and I wanted it so bad, but every single place I saw it didn't have my size. So I saw it on Nordstrom and I saw my size and I was like, I have to snatch that up. So I did and I love it. It came today and I'm just obsessed. So I just have like the two first buttons buttoned and this is the best one because it has a little heart. And then I'm wearing it with my Uniqlo jeans, which actually like match the denim perfectly. These are the Uniqlo baggy jeans. And then I just have it on with my little mango boots and that is the look. I think I'll definitely be warm enough. It's not too chilly tonight. But this is my lip. This is the Peripera Water Bear tint. I don't know the shade, but I will put it in the description, and I just think it's such a nice neutral shade. It has like a nice tint and stain, which is good for eating. So this is the look. I'm gonna go. We have a busy weekend ahead of us, so I will take you all along for that, but I just wanted to say happy Friday and happy weekend. Good evening, everyone. Happy Sunday. I am about to head out. I'm gonna go pick up Grace and I am taking her to a cooking class for her birthday. It's a surprise, so I hope she enjoys it, but we are going to a pasta making class specifically. So I think it'll be really fun. We're gonna cook our own dinner, make our own pasta, and I think it's gonna be a super fun experience. I found this place online. It's called The Pantry and they're located in Ballard, and I've actually seen them before. I've just never like actually taken a class there, so I'm very excited and I think it's going to be a great way to spend Sunday evening, and I'm so excited to celebrate her. But I wanted to show you my outfit before I head out, and I also just wanted to wrap up the vlog. But for my outfit tonight, I have on this little necklace from Kira and Misha, my usual earrings and rings. I am wearing this MAC lip color for tonight, and it's the shade Date Maker, and it's the Powder Kiss liquid lip color. I just love it because it's the perfect matte shade without being like super drawing, and I just put like a little bit on and then I kind of like blend it out, and it is perfect. And then I think I'm going to carry my CODE bag just because it's like casual and we're going to a cooking class. And then for my outfit, I have on this long sleeve. This is from Skims. I got it in this color and like a blue color, and I actually love it. I was a little hesitant at first, but it's actually so nice and the perfect layer. And then I just have on this little silk dress. This is from Aritzia. I got it a while ago, and for a while I didn't even know if I was gonna keep it, but I think I've decided I like it. I've gotten a good amount of wear out of it so far, but I've never styled it this way. And I just have it over this shirt with some black jeans and my mango boots, but I think it's kind of like a fun layered look. So that is what I am wearing tonight. I'm gonna go and I'll see you all at the cooking class.
Up the kale and put it back into the bowl. I'm holding off on salting our kale. So I'm going to put a little water in here. Watching water boil. And you'll notice it's like, this isn't. So here's the thing.
None of that was a sentence.
I get it. I just don't want to do that with my machines because.
To hold it down. Put his hands in there with gloves.
It smells really good. Make it nice.